Jai Hind to all. Myself Dr. Nilesh Kumar Gupta. I am working as a professor in EC department at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. And today we will continue our subject Information Theory and Coding. Okay. Its AKTU code is KEC 075. And today's my PPT, my lecture title is Joint and Conditional Entropy Part 2. In the last lecture, I told you about the entropies. The entropies we are relating with communication system. In communication, generally we take the random variable. Similarly, here for communication system, we are taking x and y. X and y are two random variables corresponding to transmitter and receiver of communication system. Now, as per the probability, we will calculate the individual entropy of h of x, h of y, and if we combine this x and y, then it will be joint, and if we take the conditional effect of this, then it will call what? Conditional entropy. So, I will tell you about these in this lecture in more details. Last time I told you about all the entropies and their significance and so on. Next, we will concentrate on this. What is the meaning of joint and conditional entropies? How these are related with communication system in terms of random variable. Okay. So, we will see. At first, we recall my last lecture. In my last lecture, I told you some examples based on entropies, how some messages and then probabilities and some conditions are given to you, then you can easily calculate the entropy of the system. Only one thing you have to take care, what? कि आपको जो log की बेस निकालनी है वो 2 पे निकालना है. सो log ऑफ बेस 2 पे निकालने के लिए आप या तो log ऑफ बेस 10 पे निकालो and then divide by 0.3010, or either you can take the log of base e and divide it by 0.693. So, इस तरह के examples कुछ मैंने आपको बताए थे. Then rate of information, how you calculate the rate of information, that is small r into h. Then entropies in communications, this is very important. You have to understand clearly कि entropies are related in communication system individually or jointly, in terms of transmitters and receivers of digital communication system. Now, joint entropy, that also I told in my last lecture. So, joint entropy क्या है? जॉइंट मतलब कि जब मैंने ट्रांसमीटर एक कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम लिया, x रैंडम वेरिएबल फॉर ट्रांसमीटर साइड एंड y रैंडम वेरिएबल फॉर एट रिसीवर साइड. सी इफ आई एसोसिएट दिस x and y, x one dimensional, simple one dimensional quantities, parameters, terms, and y is also one dimensional. If I combine these two one dimensional elements, then it will be two dimensional term. तो जब हम ट्रांसमीटर रिसीवर दोनों का बिहेवियर साथ में एनालाइज करेंगे एक दूसरे के कोरिलेशन के संग, तभी हम कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम का बिहेवियर जान पाएंगे. इफ यू नो if you want to know about the behavior of communication system, then you should have the knowledge of transmitter as well as receiver. That is why I am writing here. To study the joint entropy means what? To study the behavior of a communication system, we must simultaneously study the behavior of transmitter and receiver. This use concept of two dimensional probability scheme, because जब transmitter receiver दोनों को combinedly jointly आप लोगे, that will call two dimensional probability scheme. टू डायमेंशनल आएगी, ठीक है। और करस्पॉन्डिंग जो भी एंट्रोपी हम निकालेंगे इस टू डायमेंशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी स्कीम या PXY से, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे, जॉइंट एंट्रोपी। Consider two sources S1 and S2 delivering the symbols x is equal to x1 x2 up to the xm and y is equal to y1 y2 up to the yn. Pxi and Pyj denote the probability of x is equal to xi and y is equal to yj, where xi yj are the symbols generated from two sources x and y. Then joint probability of x is equal to xi, y is equal to yj will be P xi yj. यही होगा. If you want to take combined effect of x and y, transmitter and receiver, then it will be P xi yj. Then joint entropy of x and y, Pxy, if you are having Pxy, then you can calculate our joint entropy, that is Hxy, and this is the formula of joint entropy, that is Hxy is equal to summation what I1 to m for x, I x के लिए हो गया, J1 to m for y, Pxi yj into log of 1 upon Pxi yj, base of log, लॉग की बेस हमेशा क्या होगी 2. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर व्हाट, जॉइंट एंट्रोपी ऑफ द सिस्टम. सो इफ यू नो द Pxy, यदि आपको Pxy पता है, जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी मैट्रिक्स फॉर x एंड y, इफ यू नो, if it is known, then you can easily calculate joint entropy of the system, that is Hxy. Okay. Now Hx upon y and Hy upon x. Hx upon y means what? These x upon y, Hy upon x. These are the conditional entropies. Hx upon y means entropy of x when y is received. Hy upon x, entropy of y when x is transmitted. So conditional entropies. Hx upon y means what? A transmitted character xj may be result of the reception of yk with a given probability, or it is a measure of information about the transmitter. Why? Because x ऊपर लिखा है, हम लेते हैं ना this x y, this is corresponding to transmitter, this is corresponding to receiver. So it is the measure of information about the transmitter, entropy of the transmitter you can say, when it is known that y is received. मैंने भी आपको ये कहा था, entropy of x, entropy of transmitter when y is received. Similarly Hy upon x means what? उल्टा इसका, entropy of y when x is transmitted. Similarly here it is the measure of information about the receiver. Y मतलब क्या? Y means receiver when x is transmitted. So Hx upon y and Hy upon x, these are the two conditional entropies. As I know, I told you what, if you know the Pxy, then you can calculate Hxy. Similarly Hx upon y, so correspondingly Px upon y matrix will be there. This is called conditional probability matrix. और Px upon y का मतलब क्या होगा? This is the conditional probability matrix, which is probability of x when y is received. Similarly Py by x, this is called channel matrix also. Py by x is the feasible realizable matrix in communication system. इसका मतलब क्या है? The probability of y when x is transmitted. रिसीवर की probability जब x ट्रांसमिट हो गया, तो ये feasible चीज़ है. हम जब भी चैनल मैट्रिक्स लेंगे कम्युनिकेशन में आगे, तो ऑलवेज वी कैन टेक बाय यूजिंग Py by x. This is called channel probability matrix. Now again this diagram, from this diagram always I am trying to explain you about the entropy in communication system, कि कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम में एंट्रोपी का क्या रोल है, why we are discussing here entropy ये वो दो, because we want to correlate these entropies for regarding the communication system. हम चाहते हैं इसको क्या कि कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम से इसको कोरिलेट करें. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? this is our transmitter, x is random variable for this transmitter and y is the random variable for receiver. Okay. So, if x is random variable, then some messages and sources are there, then p of x we have p of x probability matrix corresponding to transmitter or x random variable, and p of y, this is the probability matrix of receiver or y. So, if p of x you know, then you can calculate easily h of x. You know h of x is equal to your simple formula minus of summation from k 1 to 4 5 p k into log of p k. Similarly, if p of y we know, then you can calculate h of y. So, this is the very simple case. If you know the p of x, the value of probability of some source x, y and so on, you can calculate easily corresponding entropies. Okay. Now, if p x y you know, p x y means joint probability matrix, मतलब x और y इंडिविजुअल सिंगल डायमेंशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी मैट्रिक्स को ये मिला दें, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड व्हाट, टू डायमेंशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी मैट्रिक्स, क्योंकि हमने x और y दोनों को मिला दिया. सो इफ यू नो द पी एक्स वाई, तो करस्पॉन्डिंग यू कैन कैलकुलेट द योर एच एक्स वाई. आई टोल्ड यू द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एच एक्स वाई, कि बाय दैट फॉर्मूला you can calculate easily entropy of the system. Now, p y by x, if p y by x you know, okay, this is the your conditional probability matrix, probability of receiver when x is transmitted. Correspondingly, you can calculate the h y by x. Similarly, p x upon y, this is another conditional probability matrix, x with the probability of x when y is received. Similarly, h x upon y. So, these probability, these entropies are related with our communication system, like transmitter and receiver we are taking here correspondingly. So, हम इन entropies को correlate कर रहे हैं किससे, हमारे communication system से. ऐसा ही नहीं हो रहा है सब. That's why we are discussing here every time entropy. And how you calculate entropy? From the probability matrix. Okay. Now, we can see here probability and entropy. So, if you know the p of x, you can calculate h x, what you know the formula minus summation I 1 to m p x I to log of p x I. So, you put the value of p that is given in the problem, you can calculate h of x easily. Similarly, h of y you can calculate similarly here, putting the simple value here, and h x y. If you know the p x y क्या है, x I y j. This is the two dimensional probability matrix that combines the effect of x and y, both the two variable of transmitter and receiver respectively. Okay. So, by this formula you can calculate h x y. H x y means what? एच एक्स वाई क्या है हमारा, टू डायमेंशनल जॉइंट एंट्रोपी. हाउ यू कैलकुलेट, फ्रॉम पी एक्स वाई बेस ऑफ लॉग 2. बेस ऑफ लॉग 2 हमेशा रहेगा, गलती नहीं करना कभी. ऑलवेज यू हैव टू टेक बेस ऑफ लॉग 2. अब जॉइंट प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें पता है, तो देयर आर सम रिलेशंस इन प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट आई होप दैट यू स्टडीड इन योर 12th class or 12th standard generally. Okay. So, these are the some relation also there will be there, the relation between the joint and conditional probabilities. Okay. P x y is equal to what, P x upon y into P y, or P x y is equal to P y by x into p x. So, these are the relations between the joint and conditional probabilities. So, from these relations you can calculate these values in each other. If you know the p x y, okay, p y, then you can calculate p x upon y, or you know the p x upon y and p y, you can calculate the p x y. So, from these relations you can easily convert, you can easily calculate joint probability or conditional probabilities. Okay. So, these formulas also you should know, these are very very important for us. Okay. Now, conditional entropy. So, if you see here conditional entropy, so this is the relation that I told in last PPT, okay, that we can write in this way also, okay. And this is the formula for conditional entropy, what? H x upon y, it is equal to the summation j 1 to m, sorry, I 1 to m and summation from j 1, because this is 2 dimensional, we are taking x and y both. So, you are taking 2 summations here, one for x sources and another for y sources. Okay. So, here p x I y j and log of 1 upon p x I upon y j. So, if you want to calculate x x upon y, so you know p x y and p x upon y. तो यदि आपको इस फॉर्मूले से एच एक्स अपॉन वाई निकालना है, यदि आपको इस फॉर्मूले से एच एक्स अपॉन वाई निकालना है, सो यू शुड नो पी एक्स वाई एंड पी एक्स अपॉन वाई, दोनों आपको पता होना चाहिए. सिमिलरली एच वाई बाय एक्स बराबर भी यही होगा. निकालना चाहूँ एच वाई बाय एक्स का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? समेशन आई 1 टू एम समेशन j 1 टू m p x I y j log of 1 upon p y j upon x I, sorry. So, if you want h y by x, then you should know what? आपको दोनों चीजें चाहिए, p x y and p y by x. ठीक है. तो यहाँ थोड़ा क्रिटिकल मामला है क्या कि आपको एच एक्स अपॉन वाई और एच वाई बाय एक्स फॉर्मूले से निकालना है. यू नो द दिस एट अ टाइम these two probability 2 dimensional matrix, then you can otherwise some formulas also will be there. So, directly you can calculate from those formulas also. Okay. So, I hope it is clear to everybody. Okay. Now, we can see here the relation between the joint and conditional entropy, and mathematically we can derive this relationship. Okay. So, we know h x y is equal to what? H x y is equal to, you know, h x y is equal to minus summation from I 1 to m and summation from j 1 to n, one for x and one for y, okay, one for transmitter and one for the receiver, that is why we are taking here, and p x I y j into log of base 2 p x I y j. Okay. So, this is the formula of our joint entropy. Now, if I put here instead of log p x I y j by this, we know the relation. In last PPT I told you कि p x y is equal to क्या होता है? p x y is equal to, you know what? p x upon y into p y. So, I am putting this formula here instead of p x y. So, it will be p x I y j into p y j. Okay. Now, we know this is log m into n. So, log m into n is equal to, we know, log m plus log n. So, we open this formula here. So, it will be p log of p x I y j plus log of p y. Okay. Now, you multiply this p x y into this and into this, then it will be the formula of what? H x upon y, and here we know the summation of all the probabilities is equal to 1. So, this formula convert into the h of phi. So, what we will get? We are getting here h x y is equal to h y plus h x upon y. So, this is another relation between the joint and conditional entropy. So, by which you can calculate these parameters. Okay. Either you can use the formula of h x upon y, h y upon x, or you can use this also. If you know the h x y, h x, then also you can calculate the your conditional entropies here. Similarly, in another way, if you take what h x y is equal to this one and p x y, you are putting the p y by x into p x. ये भी कर सकते थे हम लोग. What? We know p x y is equal to also or what? P y by x into p x. If you put this, okay, then you what you will get? You will get h x y is equal to similarly h x plus h y by x. So, these two easy formulas also you can derive, and you can determine the joint and conditional probabilities, okay. And this is called what? Chain rule. This is also called what? Chain rule, because a chain this makes the chain here, okay. जो जोड़ रही है या कनेक्ट कर रही है हमारी जॉइंट, कंडीशनल और वन डायमेंशनल probabilities or entropies. That is why it is called chain rule also. Okay. So, I hope it is clear to everybody. Now, the very important phenomena, very important concept that you should know also. Okay. What? The identification of two dimensional probability matrix. आपको पहचानना है कि whenever two dimensional probability matrix or data is given to you, then how you can identify कि whether it is p x y, p y by x और p x upon y क्या होगा, क्योंकि टू डायमेंशनल में तीन ही होंगे हमारे, या तो होगा हमारा क्या व्हाट p x y, या क्या होगा हमारा p y by x, या क्या होगा p x upon y. Now what I told you lastly what कि you are calculating here all the entropies in terms of communication system. So, in communication means x and y. So, x is transmitter, y is receiver. So, x और y के बीच में this is related with transmitter, this is related with receiver. Okay. So, इन्हीं के टर्म में हम काम कर रहे हैं. And whenever the matrix or some data is given, okay, two dimensional, it means row wise and column wise. So, transmitters we are taking row wise and receiver we are taking column wise. This transmitter we are taking row wise and receiver we are taking column wise. Okay. Yes. So, if this type of two dimensional probability matrix or data is given to you, then you can identify whether it is p x y, p y by x or p x upon y. So, p x y कब होगा? p x y कब होगा? Whenever the summation of all the elements of this data or matrix, all elements, जितने भी elements, सबका summation क्या हो? 1. Then p x y will be there. Okay. p y by x कब होगा? y by x. So, किसकी कंडीशन में है? x. x मतलब ट्रांसमीटर्स, ट्रांसमीटर्स मतलब रो वाइज. whenever the summation of each row, हर रो का समेशन क्या हो? 1. जिसकी कंडीशन में y की प्रोबेबिलिटी है, किसकी कंडीशन में? x की. That's why x. x means transmit. Transmitter means we are taking, we are referring, we are considering our transmitters are in row wise. Similarly, p x upon y. So, condition of y we are taking, y we are considering receivers, and these are taking in this matrix in column wise. So, what we call here the summation of each column is equal to 1. So, in this way we can identify our two dimensional matrix, probability matrix or datas, okay, because we know the relation between these joint probability matrix and conditional. So, if we identify from the channel these matrix, then it will be so easy for us to determine all other parameters. Okay. That is why I am telling you. So, this is the very important concept, because if you know this concept, then you can determine easily all other parameters in given numericals. Okay. So, in my next lecture I will tell you about the numericals of these to for calculating the entropy of the system. Different entropies we can calculate if we know these individual single dimensional and two dimensional probability matrix, then we can calculate all the entropies H x, H y, H x y, H x upon y and H y by x. Thank you very much.